Do not sell your Jasmy coin just yet, because in this video I'm going to be disclosing the next move which Jasmy is going to be making. Now, in my past couple of videos I had discussed all about Jasmy and things have been playing out exactly like I predicted. By the way guys, in this video we are going to be doing some price analysis and I'm going to be giving you the short-term price targets which I think Jasmy is going to be achieving in the immediate short term. By the way, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video. My trade signal group has helped me make some good amount of money in the past couple of months. I will do all the analysis in this group and give you all of my trade setups so that you can make the most amount of money. As you can see, in the past couple of months we have made profits of about 142%, 350% and even crazier than that. So make sure guys join my Patreon. The link to it will be down in the description. It's only $30 per month and I truly believe that the value you will be getting in this group will be much higher than this. So guys, right over here I have the 4-hourly chart of Jasmy, and as you can see that I have drawn this trend line right over here, and as you will be able to see that as soon as we broke out of this trend line we saw upwards movement for Jasmy coin, and as you can see we are up by nearly 40% since then. Now guys, if you check out what has been happening with Jasmy today, this is something really interesting stuff. So you guys already remember that I had told you all that right now we are in this third Elliott wave and the move towards the upside is not going to be in a straight line. We are going to be seeing 5 waves towards the upside. So first wave towards the upside, second wave towards the downside, third wave towards the upside, fourth wave towards the downside, and fifth wave towards the upside. Now guys, right over here as you can see, if we consider this point as the bottom for wave 2, and this is the point where we start getting into wave 3, you will be able to see that we crossed this previous high of the wave 2 and we broke this resistance level, you could say, and as you can see right over here we retested this level once again, but this time instead of providing resistance, this level was converted into a support level. Now this is exactly which I had told you guys in my previous videos as well, and now let me tell you what is the most likely scenario for Jasmy for the immediate short term. Just like this level was turned from resistance level to a support level, I truly believe this wave 1 high at about 0.008 is going to be turning exactly the same. So guys, in the next move I am expecting Jasmy to reach somewhere around 0.009 and then again retest this wave 1 high support level, and now this level of resistance will act like a support. Now from this moment onwards we are free to go ahead and complete our wave 5. Now if we calculate the amount of gains which I personally think is going to be, so I personally think this is going to be the wave 2 bottom for this massive Elliott wave 3, and if we check out the profit target from over here, you can say that we only need to pump up by about 58%. Now I don't know if you are new to the market, but 58% for altcoins like Jasmy is like a no-brainer, and Jasmy can be doing this in just one single day as well. Now yeah guys, that's pretty much my price target for Jasmy. The most closest price target is at about 0.009 and the next price target is at about 0.10. Now right over here, if we check out what has been happening with the indicators, you will be able to see that right now we are following, or say forming, this rising wedge pattern. Now this basically means that we are going to be seeing a dip towards the downside. However guys, I believe that we are not going to be seeing that and the selling pressure is going to be getting cancelled really soon. Now let me show you on the MACD indicator how things have been playing out. So guys, you already know that we saw the 3 waves of buying pressure right over here, and right now even though we saw some red candles playing out, you can see that the selling pressure as compared to the buying pressure is nothing even more significant. Actually, you can actually call this like, buying pressure at its lowest but selling pressure also at its lowest. These red candles are even smaller than the previous ones, and that is why I'm not really taking them much significantly, and I'm expecting for a reversal for Jasmy very soon. By the way guys, if you want to make some serious money with crypto, so even though we saw Jasmy coin pumping up like 50%, What if I tell you that I booked a profit of over 300% from Jasmy coin in the past week only? Well, I'm sure you guys won't believe me, so let me show you all my trade signal group. Now guys, the link to my trade signal group will be down in the description, so for all of you who are interested, make sure to check it out. The link to it will be down in the description. Now as you can see, this is the insides of my trade signal group, and as you can see, we booked a profit of 300%. Now let me tell you what my trade signal group is all about and what is the main objective of my trade signal group, because we have been getting some pretty decent profit and margins on our trades in the trade signal group. As you can see, 300% profit, 189% profit, and if you scroll up, you will be able to see like profits of 82%, profits of 68%, profits of 135%, profits of 352%, and the list goes on and on. So basically, let me tell you what my trade signal group provides for you guys. I am posting technical analysis, business opportunities, the coins which are on personally my radar, my personal portfolio, and you have community of like-minded individuals to chat among yourself. However guys, the best thing about my trade signal group is the trade signals themselves. Now this is an example of a trade signal which I took for Jasmy at 30th March 2023. Now as you can see right over here, I mentioned whether we are taking a long position or short position so that you guys know how to basically take the trade. I also mentioned the risk factor. So basically this was a pretty risky trade. However, it was not the most riskiest trade out there. Right over here you can see that we were trading Jasmy at a 20x leverage. Right over here you can check out the entry price. So my entry price on this trade was at about 0.0049, and as you can see, I had set the target to about 0.00523 and 0.00581. Now in the next couple of days, as you can see, this trade was posted on 30th March, and as you can see on 1st of April, which is just like 2 days or say 1 day after it, you can see that our target was achieved and we secured a profit of 135%. Now as you can see, even I typed here that exit target of 0.005 has been hit and I'm completely out of the trade. So I am mentioning everything right over here, and the main objective of my trade signal group is for you guys to make as much money as possible in these times of market. Now let me tell you why this is so important. Guys, even though a lot of people might tell you that hey, just buy crypto and you're gonna be enjoying some pretty significant gains in the next bull run. However guys, majority of money is made in times like these when basically we are just entering into the bull market. Now you can be holding on to your cryptos and making money that way in the next bull run, but as you already know that the trend is towards the upside, and because of this trend towards the upside, the opportunities in the markets are pretty much endless. You can basically be longing the markets if you just plan it strategically, and you can be profiting some insane amounts just like I showed you in my trade signal group. So guys, if you are interested, make sure you guys check the first link in the description, and that will take you to my trade signal group. It's $30 per month, and I know some of you all might be saying that hey, why should I pay $30 per month? I mean it's a kind of an expense to me. Well guys, the first thing is that I personally think that you guys should not be considering my trade signal group as an expense. Instead, you should be taking it as an investment into yourself and into your trading careers, because the amount of opportunities you will be able to see in my trade signal group and the amount of knowledge you will be able to gain is absolutely amazing. So if you're interested, make sure to join my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.